Getting up at 5 a.m. and writing Quran in English. Translation. I use Deen app. You can use any. I try to write English translation of Quran, at least one page daily. Writing next verse number for reminder. I'm using 2023 old diary, only to write Quran's English translation. I leave gaps if I don't understand meaning of particular word. My best friend gave me this. Learning Korean for fun. Today somehow I got motivation to study. Though I forgot what I studied. Cloudy day. Have been studying this Lamarckism theory, but it's unconvincing. Then why we have to study? Ready to go to college. I am not obsessed with plants but still love to capture them in camera. Going to college. After 40 minutes. In college, Pongton and Blackpink. Jensu. Roaming around cause my best friends betrayed me. Crocheting during free lectures cause I'm too stubborn to study. Pongton Sunyi and Dan, everyday destined to meet. Today I'm obsessed with clouds. Fun activity cause I'm bored. Lecture time. I'm going solo. No friends for gossips. Let's go home. It's so beautiful. Lemma find South Korea.